Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be here as usual. As you can see, I will be painting on a square canvas today. I'm really excited about today's piece because I'm going to be trying a new technique. For those of you who have seen other videos of mine, you know how much I love rainbows, so that's what I'll be doing today. I will be using a hair blow dryer, and yeah, it's going to be my first time, so I'm excited to see how that turns out. So, wish me luck, and here goes. So as you saw when I first tried the blow dryer, I had a little bit of difficulty, so I watered down my paint and I added a lot more of it, and then I found that the technique worked out actually really nicely, and I really liked the results. So I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!